Good morning. Just getting on my favorite interstate, Interstate 40, leaving Holbrook. I've already had a bit of a climb, and I'm not even on the interstate yet. It's supposed to be very windy today, but I'm hoping for a big tailwind. Winds usually come out of the west, and since I'm going east, it could be a lot of fun. So today's ride is all on Interstate 40, and I'm headed to a small town called Chambers. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's hailing out here. There was no rain in the forecast at all. And all of a sudden it's just cold and hailing. Little hails, nothing too exciting. Yeah, more hail. I just stopped to put my rain pants on. It is cold out here. This is quite unexpected. All of a sudden the temperature really dropped, and so a little excitement out here. Riding through a little squall, cold snap on Interstate 40. Tons of traffic today. It's Saturday. Yeah, busy day out here. All right, you guys, so I made it to Chambers, Arizona. I was on I-40 all day again today. There's really not much here. There's a gas station and a Days Inn. And on this part of my tour, there's just not a lot of choice. Luckily, I've been able to find places to stay within a reasonable distance every day, within something like 50 miles. So this is Days Inn. It's actually a pretty nice hotel room. You can hear I-40 just outside the door. They wanted 97 for it. I asked them to lower it, so they lowered it to 88. And while I was riding today, it wasn't really a very interesting ride. There was really just two things that happened. One, it was very windy. And then the second thing was I had hail, and there was nothing in the forecast talking about rain or snow or hail. It got very cold. And at one point I had to put on my rain pants. And I had so much trouble putting on my rain pants because of the wind. And it suddenly occurred to me that this probably was not the smartest thing to be out riding on I-40 in 30+ mile-an-hour winds. But luckily I made it. Everything's fine. And I think tomorrow is going to be a little bit calmer. And so here's the bathroom. And then I just finished making dinner. I had a delicious stir fry. I had sausage and broccoli and potato, oil and soy sauce. Very, very nice. I'm gonna have some peanut butter for dessert. So, all right, you guys, welcome to Chambers.